All right, folks, this is my hike for today. Check out all the beauty around me. Look at this. Yeah, that's that powerful water, huh? Yeah, I just found this place. And there goes the sun setting, getting ready. And that's lovely. That's it. Enjoying the day out. It's a little cold up here, but it's okay. Little cold don't hurt anyone. Get out, live life, enjoy. Get out every day. Don't let the winter keep you in. There's a lot of stuff going on. Nature loves you. Love yourself and get out there. All right, to the next one.